41 people across the U.S. are now being monitored for signs of the hantavirus. That number includes 18 Americans who were evacuated from a cruise ship at the center of the deadly outbreak. Lana Zach is in Omaha, Nebraska, where some of those Americans are now in quarantine.
How are you feeling?
More than 120 passengers from the hantavirus hit cruise ship are now back in their home countries amid ongoing efforts to contain the outbreak.
The risk from this event to the global population is low.
On Friday, the World Health Organization adjusted the total number of cases linked to the ship from 11 to 10.
That included one individual who had an inconclusive test, and that was someone from the United States.
That person, Dr. Stephen Kornfeld, was moved from biocontainment into a quarantine unit at University of Nebraska Medical Center after 2 negative tests.
He's a hero in that he is a physician who stepped up when people needed him, and he did help provide care and assessment for individuals who were ill on the cruise ship.
The CDC is keeping a close eye on 41 people who may have been exposed, including the 18 American passengers quarantining here in Omaha. Health officials are also monitoring 7 other passengers who left the ship before the outbreak was declared, and an additional 16 people who may have been exposed during air travel to a symptomatic passenger from the cruise ship who later died.
We know how many people might be infected, and that's why we feel so strongly that we can, in working with governments, can really stop this.
The CDC says there are no known cases of hantavirus in the U.S., adding that the health and safety of U.S. residents is its top priority. Lana Zach, CBS News, Omaha, Nebraska.
The captain and 26-member crew of the ship are still on board, and they're expected to dock in the Netherlands on Monday. The remains of the woman who died earlier this month are also on board.